satisfied. The way I see it all, I'm growing stronger, a little longer.
Kia. Can you recommend good food to eat after a workout?
After a workout, it's good to eat food.
Your edge in motion. The Kia EV4.
Kia. Movement that inspires.